Yeah. Is it possible?
Yes, we're going to go inside now.
Ons het hom groot gemaak van 'n
Ek kan
babatjie
scratchy
met
bags
bottel
aan.
doeke.
Ja.
Hy het vir 2 jaar saam met my ma werk toe gegaan, elke dag saam maar gebly.
Saans geleer om te skryf.
Maar vir haar het ons later gekry. Sy
Ja.
het 'n bietjie seer gemaak deur ander mense en my pa het
Ja.
2 dae gerehabiliteer. En vir die eerste keer nou is sy goed met mense. Maar sy was heeltemal wild. Literally my mom stayed up crying the whole night. The whole night. She thought she lost it.
I thought I really was going to just not make it through life anymore.
Oh, come on.
How can it stay so good for another?
MJ.
My brother's initials is NJ and my dad. So
So we got the same initials as the boys in the family.
I think when my sister and I grew up, my parents needed to get kids again, you know.
When we went off to varsity, I think that is kind of what happened.
It's our made babies, you know, they forms. They forget that these have hands. They can open doors and windows. They keep on thinking it's dogs. You know, dog you can inject.
You don't need to close the door.
Do you know that he actually took the thermometer from the doctor twice out of his hands when the doctor wanted to
And he's
take
previously
his
injected.
temperature?
He's previously injected
So
the
one of
doctor
the
as well.
doctors, yeah.
The doctor couldn't actually use the hand because the hand went numb.
No, you can't.
Yes,
No, really, he just grabs it out of the doctor's hand and then